Okay, so in this video demo, I'm going to demonstrate how you can use Metasploit tools to embed malware code into an executable, and then I'm going to show you, okay, how the malware works and how we can detect the malware. Okay, so we are going to first use wget to download putty.exe to our caddy VM. Okay, so the next step we are going to do is we are going to use msfvenom to embed malware code into putty.exe. So this is the command. So you can see here, right? So we are going to create a putty.exe for Windows. This is the input program, puttyX.exe. And then here is the malware code we are going to embed. It's a multiplier reverse TCP shell. And then this malware code is going to collect back to this IP address. So this is the attacker's IP address and this port. And so this is some kind of encoding. And the output file is called puttyX.exe. So we just run it. So this will take some time. Let's wait for this to finish. Looks like this will take some time. Okay, now it's almost finished. Oh, it's done. Okay, so if we check the current folder, then we can see, right, we already generated a puttyX.exe. And then this is our caddy VM. We also have our Windows VM. So we assume, somehow this malware program is transferred to the Windows VM. For example, somebody sends you an email with the attachment of this, maybe with a change the name. So you click it on this attachment, then you are basically hit with malware. Okay, but anyways, we here just give a demo. So we actually will do this. We'll sudo service ssh start, and so basically we are going to start an SSH server so that we can use SCP to copy this code, to Windows VM. And so here is our Windows VM. Before we do that, we need to disable, exploit protection. So I have disabled all security features of Windows, including Windows firewall, and also you can see here all the exploit protection features. We also need to disable this real-time protection. Otherwise, Windows will be able to detect our malware. Okay, so now everything's ready. So I go to, this folder, this command prompt. Okay, so let's see here, and the file is still here. So I need to delete this old file, but I remember it's kind of removed, right? Okay. Somehow it doesn't allow us to remove it, but it's okay. And so we can basically go to another folder. Let's go to the tools folder. Okay, so let's go to cd c tools folder here. Okay, then we use the SCP. to copy, puttyX.exe to this folder, caddy at 10.0.2.25. Okay, call the puttyX.exe. Same name when we copy the file to the local one. Okay, so it should be in this folder now. You can see it's here. Good. And so here, I'm going to run this malware program. And this is not really a malware program. So this is a putty with the malware code embedded. And I'm going to do two things here. I'm going to run the malware, but I'm also going to run process monitor and process explorer to detect the malware behavior. Okay, and before we run the malware, we had to set up the Metasploit server to, pick up the collections from the malware code embedded inside of puttyX.exe. So this is what we are doing here. And so here is the commands we use to pick up the collections because we are using multiple reverse TCP payload, right? And okay, so good. We had to wait for the prompt to show up. Okay, use set payload. We let Metasploit know, this is the malware payload. Okay, and then here we need to set the local host because one VM maybe have multiple IPs, so we have to specify the IP. So this is our IP, and also set local port 4444. Now we can exploit. Right, everything's right? Okay, no problem. Okay, and then we come to here, and then I'm going to actually start the monitoring program, process monitor. And so it's in actually here, process monitor. Let's start this version. Okay, and we reset everything. Okay, so you can see we have so much information here. It's very hard to check. So I just disable, some of the events shown here, and then I enable, automatic scroll, and then now we are ready to start puttyX.exe and see what happens. Okay, so it's here, right? Okay, good. And I want to make this big, and I want to show this. I want to make this smaller. Not smaller. I want to move this to the right so we can see what's happening. So when we click here we should show events about puttyX.exe. Okay. So yeah, indeed, so we can see that, right? Good. And then we stop, scroll up. And if we go back to here, you can see there's a collection open. And if we do dir, you can see, yes, we're already inside of Windows VM. So it means the attack succeeded. And so here, now let's see if putty x.exe can be detected with this process monitor. And here, if we just look at collections, right, you can see here, right, and puttyX.exe makes a collection to 10.0.2.25 at port 4444, but we haven't done anything yet with puttyX, right? That means this is not normal. Okay, so you can also use the filter here to filter uh, other unrelated events, right? In this case, we just want to show process puttyX.exe. So we do include. Okay, good. Then we just see OK. So now you can see events that are related with puttyX.exe, but we only look at the network activity. So in this way, you can find this puttyX.exe is not normal. And we can also use Process Explorer to do the same thing. And so the Process Explorer is also inside of this folder. It's called Process Explorer here. I think it's somewhere here. Process Explorer, yes. Okay, and we kind of want to see just puttyX.exe, right? Oh, did I close it? I can't remember if what I did. Anyway, and so we can start again. Okay. Yeah, it was closed. Somehow it's dead. So how did it die? Did I close it? Cannot remember. But let me check if exploit protection is over there or not. Okay, good. So let's do this again here. So good, good. Okay. Now we exploit. Okay, and okay, and then here we're going to basically start this, you know, puttyX.exe again. Okay, so now you can see, right? And you click this, double click, you click TCP/IP, then you see there's a collection built to this suspicious IP address. Okay, click this tab here. So this is how we can perform malware analysis using Process Monitor and Process Explorer.